Hi there, I'm Chef Alina Z, board certified holistic health coach, detox specialist, and nutrition chef. And in this recipe, we are making this awesome lemon tart, lemon berry tart, that is going to be super simple. You got to check out the video. You won't believe how good for you it is. This is a perfect relationship material food that looks pretty and makes you feel good. So check out the recipe. So, we are going to need a few ingredients for the base, for the actual crust, and a few ingredients for the filling. So for the crust, we're gonna need shredded coconut, coconut oil, agave, dates. We're gonna need dry cashews and some mineral salt. And for the filling, we're going to need soaked cashews, coconut butter, nutritional yeast, lemon zest, agave, lemon juice, agar-agar, and vanilla. So let's get started to make the crust first. So the crust is super simple. We're just gonna put everything in the food processor and then we're going to blend it. We're gonna take the shredded coconut, the dates that we peeled ourselves and pitted ourselves, some salt, because salt will bring out the flavor of the sweetness, and coconut is rich in medium chain triglycerides, which can give you a lot of energy, and cashews have magnesium, which can help you relax you. As always, do take extra magnesium. I take mine from Bioptimizers. It's amazing because magnesium is one of the top minerals that's missing in our diets. So make sure you get your magnesium with the supplements and with this yummy dish, with this yummy dessert. All right, let's turn it on and get the crust going. And the cool thing I love about raw food is that you can always add things midway. So we're gonna add the coconut oil once this started to mush together. Okay, so let's check if our crust is done. How do we know? It is not done because it's still a little chunky. We want it nice and smooth. Oh yeah, so much better. And you know, it tastes like, smells like almond joy. It's so good. So it's a little bit warm. And what I'm gonna do is press this into a pie shell. And we do want to refrigerate it because it will be so much better when the coconut oil hardens. So it's actually the whole dish, the whole dessert is better when it is cold. It smells so good. All you can actually make this covered in chocolate, like melted chocolate, and then freeze it or refrigerate it, and you can have like a healthy almond joy. So our crust is done, and then we're gonna make the filling. Now, for the filling, it's gonna be a little tiny bit complicated in one way, so I'm gonna walk you through it, don't worry. We are going to use boiled water, boiling water. So I have water right here, and it's hot, 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 but we gotta get it boiling. And then while it's warming up, we're gonna put all ingredients into a Vitamix. We have the soaked cashews, and we do want to soak these for at least 8 hours, so they're really, really nice and soft. Then we have the lemon juice. I'll tell you a secret, if you omit the lemon juice and the lemon zest, and you blend this all together, it will taste like sweetened condensed milk. It's ridiculous, it's so good. Okay, so we're gonna put some lemon zest in here, but it's a lemon tart, so we're gonna stick with that. But there's always really good options. Okay, then we have coconut butter, and coconut butter is basically coconut oil with the coconut meat, so it has more fiber, more of those medium chain triglycerides. Okay, and then you're probably wondering why I'm doing the water and what is this agar-agar. So agar-agar is a seaweed that will help, it will work like a gelatin. It will jellify, if that's the word, our water and that filling. So what we want is to keep this going until it thickens. It's not gonna thicken too much because we didn't put too much, but I'm gonna rinse this because it gets stuck a little bit more. But this is how I make cheese with the vegan cheese, raw vegan cheese. If you watch the recipe that we made for the nachos, and then you take that recipe and you can add the agar-agar to it with some water, but like a lot of agar, and then you mix it and then you let it cool down in a bowl or something. Then it will become like a hardened cheese. It's really good. So this is all diluted nicely. Okay. That's the cool thing about raw food, is that it doesn't really need cooking, and it has a lot of enzymes, which I still recommend to take enzymes. I love the Bioptimizers enzymes, but this food has enzymes unless you kill them with high temperature. That's how we kill the enzymes, with high heat. First, I'm gonna start blending this and see how we get this to be smooth. So we'll process this for about a minute. Oh my God, it's so yummy. And like that punch from the lemon and the sweetness, oh, so good. And now we're gonna put about half of this agar water in here. We don't need too much. Oh my God, amazing. So we are going to fill our pie shell with this filling, and then we're going to let it chill in the fridge so it will harden. And you can use this beautiful cream for other desserts as well. Look how pretty. But once it hardens, you can put it in a freezer too. Oh my God, one of my favorite desserts. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in the freezer and then we'll see how it turns out. So I got the lemon tart out of the fridge and now it's hardened. So all you have to do is just this. Look, you push it up. Look at this beauty. Easy peasy, yum city. Oh my God. And so now we got to decorate it. We have raspberries. Really, you can do any berry you want. You can do them in a circle if you want. I mean, really, it's how you want them. I'm just gonna do them, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have exactly 6, so I can do them all around. There you go, look how pretty. Your lemon raspberry tart. And now we just gotta go and try it and see how it turned out, if it is as pretty as it looks. All right, guys, let's try this. It's almost like too pretty to eat, I think. But for you, I'm gonna taste it and see how it is. I mean, I tasted the cream, right? I tasted the crust. And to give you an idea of what it tastes like, it's like almond joy, I think. The crust was like almond joy. And then the lemon tart filling. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it like this. Okay, apparently not. Okay, I'm gonna eat it like this. Let's see. You know what this tastes like? Like eating an eclair. It's so rich. Like once the cream got colder, this tastes like, oh my God, it's amazing. It's incredible, out of this world. Please let me know how you like it. Honestly, how you love it. If you made it, or share it with somebody who likes cooking, but is like, ooh, gluten-free, ooh, dairy-free, I don't know. Send it to them, challenge them. Challenge them to make this for you, so you can just eat it and enjoy it. They make it. Or make it together. Honestly, it's not that hard. I just saw the video. So I'm gonna continue eating it. This is really awesome. And you, let me know how you like it. Until later.